Hey, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to Hold and Built. It's gonna be a little project today. First of all, huge shout out to my Uncle Jerry and Aunt Mag up in New York. Big supporters of my YouTube channel, and my Uncle Jerry really, he's a gearhead. He's got motorcycles, his truck. He's also a truck driver for Cisco, and also has like a giant Hot Wheels collection, and it's freaking insane. So he's kind of what got me started into this. Also my dad too, being a car enthusiast himself. But anyways, huge for sending me some personal protective gear. Okay, so I got leather welding apron, I got some sleeves and some gloves. Also, I got a welding blanket. Brings me to today's project, or just a welding shop in general. These rolling, like whiteboard kind of things, you know what I'm saying? Like, those old school like chalkboards that... Anyways, this is what's gonna go down today, just for protective things. So when I'm welding on like the Roadster, I can, shuffle this thing over there and have it be a protective thing from slag just like bouncing off and starting a fire, causing a fire. Yeah, so I'm gonna make a frame for this. It's gonna be, side, then bottom, and then I'm gonna have some casters on the bottom. Of course, Harbor Freight, it's the best. The Burger. What the hell that says? Professional 6 by 8 foot fiberglass welding blanket. Heat damage, sparks, weld spatter. So everything I just said. Stick around. Guys, I don't know what this, it's just scrap metal. I think it was a crate for some sort of equipment. Like the crates that the lawnmowers come on, or any like snowmobile, four-wheeler or something. This is what happens. Yeah, just cheap metal. So essentially gonna weld right there and probably do just a plate or just a simple 90 cross brace right there to stiffen this up. Yeah, this metal is not square by any means. It's been twisted, it's been bent, it's been plasma'd, heat torch. I don't know what the hell this thing's been through, but it ain't gotta be pretty. Okay, once we're done with it, we may give it a little rattle can paint job. Who knows? Okay. Again, this is not gonna be square whatsoever. Burger welded that on. Burger welded that on. Scrap piece of rebar on there, and yes, my concrete floor is not level, so of course it's not going to be that way either. But yeah, I got some casters that are similar height, and I think I messed up on this one because these are the dumbs, those are the smarts. I think the dumbs were supposed to go this way instead of this way. You know what I'm saying? Either way, this thing's not going to be heavy by any means, and I think it's still going to work. Yeah. Maybe not. I'm going to prop this up against the table and sort of center those. And we're gonna get this thing up in the air. Friggin' sweet. Oh! Now hindsight, I should have just painted this. Wow. This wasn't on here, but I don't like, it's not bad. That little overspray on there. Uh-huh. Look at that. Mm-hmm. All in all, hour and a half, 2 hours to make this sucker. Probably could have went a lot faster if I wasn't, you know, doing social media, posting that and that. But I'm stoked. This turned out really well. Thing to note is that I did put the dumb wheels like this before, and obviously that did not work as far as the wheels going that way, because it's, you know, it's the same work. The whole point of this is to when you're grinding or welding, it shields like the flammables away. Now, obviously there's a gap down there, but when's the last time you were welding on the floor? Well, actually I was today, but yeah. We'll just browse right over that. Anyways, yeah, I like it. This is also going to help with lighting and stuff. It kind of blocks the light from going any further. So I am going to get a little bit of shadows, but that ain't bad. So hopefully you learned something today. If you're doing this sort of project, congratulations finding this video. Just be creative here, guys. Get yourself a welder, or this can all be done with, you know, a drill and some metal bolts. Like this, hope you learned it. If you want to see my day-to-day life stuff and you know, more reels on my cars and all that sort of thing, check me out on Instagram at IsaiahHolden3. You'll see all that stuff there. Okay. And like, subscribe, comment. What do you guys want to see? Turn that notification bell on so you can get this video just like that. We'll see you later. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.